machine to import from China is the facial tissue paper. In this video, I'm coming to show you how the facial tissue paper works, how it operates, and how you can import one and start producing products people cannot live without. In this 21st century, hygiene is wealth. Watch this video to the end and know how this machine operates, and if you need this machine, just contact us. So as you can see, this is the machine, and the raw material for this machine is called giant roll. They have very small size giant roll. So after getting the raw material, we have the rewinder. This is the rewinder. As you can see, we can customize the rewinder, put your logo there or your pattern there to make your tissue paper very different from all other brands. So you can see the design here, you can see the pattern. Yes, the pattern. So we can customize as you want. So from the giant roll plain paper, you can come and get your logo, your pattern there. Then from there, we have the embossing part, which finally have the cutting part, which will cut them into tissue papers, as you can see on the screen. So after this, you have produced your tissue paper, and that is just it. So lovely people, if you need a machine that can print money whilst you sleep, then is the facial tissue paper. With this machine, you can start manufacturing facial tissue paper in your own country, and you can start generating high profit. This machine is very affordable, and it's not very expensive. You can start this business from your garage, your home, or your workshop. It doesn't need large space, it doesn't require large space. It's very easy to operate, very simple. You just put in your giant roll, the machine produce real products. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and if you need anything from China, contact us. If you need this machine, consult us for consultation, and we will explain every detail about how to start this business without making costly mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video for more content like this.